Mistakes you make while using garlic as a medical remedy. Garlic, or Allium sativum, belongs to the onion genus and has been used medicinally since ancient times. Garlic was prescribed for helping cure various ailments and improving circulation as well. The root bulb of garlic is made of multiple cloves or bulblets of garlic and has strong flavor and odor. Garlic bulbs can be used in many forms for cooking or medicinal purposes as dehydrated, fresh, and steam distilled oil form. In this video, we're going to let you know the common mistakes which people make while using garlic as a source of benefit and medical remedy. But before we move forward, if you like our videos and content and don't want to miss out on any of them, hit the like, subscribe, and bell icon. Multiple studies demonstrate a positive effect of garlic on the prevention of cardiovascular problems. This is chiefly supplemented by garlic's properties that help lower cholesterol levels and manage blood pressure. Garlic is one such food that may help in diabetes and is now gaining popularity due to its prevalent over-the-counter use. Garlic use could help reduce glucose and lipid profile levels. Therefore, it could therapeutically be effective for patients with diabetes and cardiovascular disease. Garlic has been used as a flavoring agent for centuries. It is often used for flavoring soups, salad dressings, stews, and spreads. While the cloves are popularly used, garlic leaves may also be added to various dishes. Oriental cooking generally uses flowering scapes. Garlic is often considered as a drawback due to its odor left behind in the mouth when we eat it. It can certainly elicit few tears from your eyes, leave an unpleasant taste and smell in your mouth. But this plant can surely supply your body with the many important nutrients too. However, it is important to understand how to use garlic properly because you might miss the positive effects of its consumption. Let's look at those common mistakes people make when using garlic in a medicinal way. Using cooked garlic. Cooking garlic is totally acceptable if you use it to spice up food. However, cooking destroys the active ingredient of garlic, allicin. Allicin is one of the compounds containing sulfur found in garlic and collectively known as thiosulfates. Allicin is activated when raw garlic is chewed, chopped, or ground, but the heat ruins it. Therefore, cooking garlic reduces its healing potential and should be avoided. If the crushed garlic is aged for 10 minutes before cooking, it further enhances allicin formation, provides maximum allicin synthesis. Using garlic as a pill. To avoid the smell and potent taste, some people decide to take garlic pills instead. As is often the case, the easy way doesn't really work. As mentioned earlier, to activate the garlic's healing compound, you need to ingest raw, crushed garlic. No pill, powder, or dried form can match the therapeutic potential of garlic in its natural state. The smelly phosphorus gas disappears when garlic is dried, processed, or cooked. But so do some of the health benefits. Dried garlic retains antioxidant properties and can help fight free radicals, but never to the same extent as raw garlic does. In a place to chew it, crush the garlic, let it stay for a few minutes, and consume it with food. You can also mix garlic with honey as a natural cure for dry cough or for chest inflammation. Taking a small amount. If you want to feel the real effects of using garlic, you need to take more than a small clove of garlic every day. Garlic is a powerful immunity booster, but only if you eat it in great amounts. According to some experts, 2 or 3 middle-sized cloves per day should do the trick. Some people claim that this dose has helped them overcome some serious infections in a short period. Usage of old garlic that has lost its freshness. Make sure that the bulbs you get are fresh and haven't been sitting around for a long time. Fresh garlic has a green strip that runs in the middle of the cloves. As always, organic garlic is by far the healthier option. Forgetting to replenish the stomach flora. Garlic acts as a natural antibiotic, which means that the regular consumption in large quantities can have a negative impact on the stomach flora and eliminate useful bacteria. The best idea is to consume probiotics together with garlic. In this way, you will create a balance in your metabolism. Some examples include natural yogurt, kombucha, miso, and fermented vegetables. If you find it difficult to find the right fermented foods, you can buy probiotic supplements. Not embracing a healthy diet. Garlic cannot do all the work itself. You should help with it. Also, you need a healthy lifestyle and diet that will promote the healing process. A diet rich in sugar and processed foods is counterproductive to the well-being of your immune system. You should use foods that benefit you and protect your health, which includes vegetables, fruits, probiotic foods, healthy oils, lean protein, and lots of water. It is sometimes advised to consume garlic in the morning before breakfast, even before drinking water. This regimen works well. However, keep in mind that for some people can't consume raw garlic on an empty stomach. It can cause irritation to the digestive tract. Consuming too much raw garlic, especially on an empty stomach, can cause indigestion, bloating, and changes in the intestinal flora. It is always advisable to start with small amounts and observe the reactions of your body. This is also important because some people are allergic to garlic. Garlic is possibly unsafe when used in medicinal amounts during pregnancy and when breastfeeding. If not taken in correct quantity, garlic can lower blood sugar. In theory, taking garlic might make blood sugar too low in people with diabetes. Garlic might prolong bleeding and interfere with blood pressure. Garlic might also lower blood sugar levels. You should stop taking garlic at least 2 weeks before scheduled surgery. Eating excess garlic may lead to skin irritation and rashes. Garlic contains an enzyme called alliinase, which is usually the cause of skin rashes. It is quite often advised to wear hand gloves while cutting garlic, as the same enzyme present in it can cause rashes and itchiness. Garlic, if taken in its raw form, may trigger headaches as well. It doesn't cause headache on the spot, but can trigger the process. As per various studies, consuming raw garlic might stimulate the trigeminal nerve to release neuropeptides that goes to the membrane covering of the brain and triggers headache. Excess garlic consumption may affect the liver. Though raw garlic has antioxidant potential, excess intake can lead to liver toxicity, as per rat studies. Garlic in high dose may induce liver damage. Consuming fresh garlic in excess can cause diarrhea. Garlic may trigger diarrhea as it may cause gas. It has been found that excessive ingestion of garlic can lead to a condition called hyphemia, which refers to bleeding inside the eye chamber, the space between the iris and the cornea. Taking large doses of garlic, an anticoagulant, may cause or aggravate hyphemia. Hyphemia may also cause permanent vision loss. It's always advisable to start with small amounts and observe your body's reaction. This is important also because some people have an allergy to garlic. They might develop a range of symptoms, including bloating, diarrhea, nausea, vomiting, and different skin reactions, such as rashes and eczema. Medicinal use of garlic has been known for over 3,000 years. Experts have suggested it for the treatment of cervical cancer. This ancient antibiotic receives support from both the scientific community and natural healers from around the world. When infection strikes next, you know what to do. Garlic is a common ingredient with several medicinal properties. However, excessive consumption of garlic may cause serious side effects such as nausea, vomiting, heartburn, gastric problems, and bleeding. Hence, the correct amount will help you in all ways, but the excess quantity can cause several damages. We hope that this video will help you out in discovering the side effects of garlic while using it as a medical remedy. Subscribe to the channel and stay tuned with us till we get back to you all with yet another amazing video of the wonderful facts leading a step to a healthier, easier, and beautiful life.